Hello everyone. In this video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to use the new tab command, combined with other commands, to create a simple automation script. The new tab command allows you to open a URL in a new tab. To edit the command, click on the three-dot icon, select Edit, and change the desired URL, for example, etsy.com. Next, you can use the wait command to set a waiting time before executing the next command. The default is 5 seconds, or you can set a random wait time between X and Y seconds. With the wait navigation command, the script will wait until the web page fully loads before proceeding with the next command, with no fixed waiting time in seconds. The swipe up and swipe down commands allow the script to scroll the web page up and down by a specific number of pixels. The default setting is 1 scroll by 200 pixels. You can customize the number of pixels and the number scrolls according to your needs. The Reload tab command is used when you want to refresh the web page. To close the current tab, use Close tab. Now, to create a script, connect these commands together and click here to rearrange the commands before running a test. When you click Run Test, the system will randomly create a Hidemyacc profile to test the automation script you've just created. Once the script is finished, the profile will automatically close. You can name it, tag it, and click Save to save this script. Hidemyacc has just guided you through the commands related to opening a new tab, browsing a web page, and demonstrated a simple automation script using these commands. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Hidemyacc's YouTube channel to stay updated with important information. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the Hidemyacc team via Facebook, Telegram, Skype, or WhatsApp. Wishing you all success.